Welcome to Payment Plans tutorial. Step 1. Navigate to Products and click Payment Plan. First, let's get started by setting up a payment plan. Go to the Products section and click Payment Plan in the left tab. Step 2. Add a new payment plan. Now, click Add Plan to create a new payment plan. Step 3. Select Default Payment Plan. Step 4. Choose Payment Interval. Choose your desired payment interval, either in days or months. Step 5. Set payment length. Specify the payment length for the plan. Step 6. Add description and set regular price. Add a description to your payment plan and set the regular price for a 6-month period. Then, click Update. Step 7. Front-end impact. Let's see the front-end impact of our payment plan. Users will now have the option to pay the full amount or opt for the 6-month interest-free payment plan. Step 8. Check in cart. To check the payment plan in your cart, click View Cart. Here it is successfully added with the 6-month payment plan. Step 9. Proceed to checkout. Click on Proceed to checkout to continue with the purchase. Step 10. Enter billing details. Enter your billing details and review your order. Step 11. Sign up. Now, click on Sign Up Now to complete your order. Step 12. Order received. Congratulations! Your order has been received successfully. You will receive an order confirmation with details, including your selected payment plan, the next payment date, and the payment plan status. Step 13. View order details. To view more details about your order, click on View and see the complete summary. Thank you for using payment plans.